Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about how to remove a deployed Lambda function, AWS Lambda function from the AWS platform. So there is a function, Lambda function already deployed in the AWS console, you can see. So this is a very simple Lambda function which is deployed and connected with the API gateway, and it's already working. So you can see the results here. It returns us some response, and then we can also get some query string parameters from this Lambda. Okay, so now I'm done with this Lambda function, so I want to remove it. So how do I do that? There is a framework called serverless framework, CLI tool, where you can build and deploy the AWS services related functions or AWS services. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. So this is the Lambda function which was deployed already. I will show you so here you can see my first Lambda function in AWS. It is already deployed and it's running in the AWS platform. Now we want to remove this, and I would like to show you the serverless also. Okay, you can see the Lambda function here. You can see the Lambda functions here. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this Lambda function from the AWS platform using serverless framework. So the command is just remove. So serverless remove or SLS remove. You can execute that. So now when you execute it, what happens? The serverless framework, which is written in Node.js, it will connect to your AWS platform and then remove the deployed Lambda function. I'm going to show you once these steps are done. I'm going to connect to the AWS console and show you how it's been removed from the AWS console. So it's trying to remove now. So it says like removing the stack removed, finished. So I can go to the console now and show you. So this was the Lambda function. Let's click on this. We'll see there are no Lambda functions. So we successfully cleaned up the Lambda function using the serverless framework CLI tool, which is SLS or serverless. Please try out these commands, serverless commands. Thanks for your time and all the best for your career. Thank you.